to it. What's the first one again?
Jeremiah.
Jeremiah 1, 5 to 10, right? So we're going to think of the best way we can present that verse. Think of how many options we can to pick the best one.
Yes. Oh, I got it. We can do it. Perform a song.
Well, I was thinking, maybe we should do poetry.
I like to dance out here. Maybe all of us. We'll just go with those options. See which one's best. So, play.
Well, we have to like keep in mind that God has to be the center.
We're singing first.
Wait, that has to be a quick.
Oh, you know, harmonies, dynamics, the music words.
You know my song? Me, my cousin? She's a good singer.
Wait, sing with my cousin.
Wait.
We'll drink it because the cousin sees who was us.
I know the country group. That's why.
Yeah, that's not
All right, very three.
Break one,
1, 2, 3, break.
Hey, sister. How are you? Good, thank you. You guys see the door somewhere?
This is the girl that stopped us the other day.
I was running my forward.
That's about sports assignment. We have like a kind of doing, but like I'm already good at that. You guys just have to see.
Let my people go. Let my people go. Let my people go. From these worldly chains that anchors them, to their insecurities, sinful nature, and unrighteousness. Let my people go.
That they may serve me in the wilderness, in accordance with my will, I have appointed you.
For who am I? That I shall go to Pharaoh, the child of a Hebrew, drawn up the waters, fleeing from the witnesses of death. Who am I? That I am fitting. You called me a prophet to deliver your people from the oppression. Me, a murderer, a judge, a prince, torn between my identity as an Egyptian and a Hebrew. Who am I? That I have deserved it.
And me, cheeks flushed and bright-eyed, rugged my tending sheet. Although appearing in my appearance, in comparison to the wisdom of my older brothers. Who am I that I am called to leadership? A youngster, yet ruler of your nation, seeking justice in your name. Yet doomed to defeat by battles against Goliath, Egypt, and Midian. Who am I that I am qualified?
Not qualified, yet professional, and my harlotry restless as a wife. Hosea is next too much of it. Who am I that I am pure? Though mother of three, I should bear, for the lust is uncontrollable, for lovers are undeniable, givers of linen and wool, bread and water. Who am I that I am obedient?
Disobedient to a voice and a word. I will call persecution. See prisoners, rebels, Christians all the same. Running from the death by my tongue. Who am I that I am humble? For I seek the authority and prestige, recognition of the high priest. Despite the tendencies cost, there is no greater advantage than the power of knowledge. Who am I that I am humble?
Give to your calling.
Victorious in my youth.
Appealing to the lustful,
Murderer of your nation.
I stand here.
Unqualified to fulfill your will. Unworthy of pursuing your purpose.
I walked in darkness, shameful from my sin.
I am tainted.
But by
You knew me before I was born. And despite you, born.
It is not for our appearances that we are called.
It is only the canvas of our hearts that you see. You are. Apple.
El Shaddai,
Yahweh,
Rapha.
Adonai.
Elohim, Creator.
I am my Father's masterpiece. You crafted me by your skillful hands. You created me for your glorious purpose. Before I was formed in the womb.
You chose me to shape me apart. guys know the song to the verse? Falling in love with Jesus and He speaks nation. You've heard it before?
Hear the sound of the fatherless crying. Who will go for us? Who will shout to the corners of the earth that Christ is King? We speak to nations, be open. We speak to nations, fall on your knees. We speak to nations, the kingdom is coming near to you. Sing, oh, we speak to strongholds, be broken, power of darkness, you have to flee. We speak to nations, the kingdom is coming near to you. We speak to you, be free, yeah. Be free, be free, we speak to nations, be open. We speak to nations, fall on your knees. We speak to nations, the kingdom is coming near to you. To you, be free, yeah. Be free, be free, be free. Sing, falling in love with Jesus, falling in love with Jesus, falling in love with Jesus was the best thing I've ever done. Oh, sing, falling in love. Falling in love with Jesus. Somebody sing hallelujah with Jesus. Falling
Singing.
And poetry.
And dancing.
I go together. I guess I could work. Cow worship. Or limit worshiping God for just one form of art.
Wait, why not?
God is bigger than all of us. And all of us. It's impossible to separate.
Like with the song, it represents God. That through him, anything, and I mean anything, is possible.
And the dance. The song that we the lyrics are and then it's power. It's power. The power is here. And it also teaches us not to rely on our own strength, but
So, like, in the poem, how God uses anyone despite the circumstances to spread his word.
yes.
Okay, so they're using all together. How do they put it all together? Got it. In a play. Right, let's play for that. Well, yeah. What do you guys do? Break on 3 8. 1, 2,